ladies, we are having a camo craze here at Tea for the Soul. It is one of the biggest trends right now, and it is flying off the shelves. Stay tuned for some of my top picks. This is one of my favorite tops. That's why I started in it. I love the sweet little button down and tie detail. They're just so popular right now. This one has a sweet ruffle on the sleeves and these little wooden buttons actually unbutton. So ladies, throw in a graphic tee, unbutton this, tie each of the ends and knots, and wear it as a little cardigan kimono. It is too cute. I paired mine with some like pleather leggings for like a real sassy look. I'm ready to go out. Stay tuned for the next look. Okay, I am loving this little tunic dress. It is just so sweet. It's definitely more muted than the camo top I had on before. So ladies, if you were just getting into this trend, maybe you just want to get like a little taste of camo, this is perfect for you. It also goes great under a jacket or a vest. A denim jacket like this would be so cute. Ladies, if you're feeling daring, don't wear leggings. It's a little chilly here, so I'm gonna keep mine on, but this is just the perfect little swing. It is so flattering, more tailored on the arms and through the chest, and nice and flowy on the hips and tummy, kind of where I need it to be. All right, let's try something completely different. I think you're gonna love this one. All right, let's get a little rock and roll with this one. I love this oversized jacket. It has this super sweet little fringe on it, little gold studs. It is just a big statement maker. So ladies, if you like to make a statement with your wardrobe, grab this. I could totally see this being worn over a rock and roll graphic tee or like a vintage like grunge vibe. I just love all of that. But ladies, don't forget, camo doesn't have to just be in like your closet with your wardrobe. Add some to your accessories, like this cute little puffer bag. It reminds me of like a nice winter coat. It is the most lightweight, soft bag. Perfect little tote, ladies. Throw your gym stuff in it. We use it as a grocery bag, a book bag. It is just adorable. Ladies, you're gonna need this. Okay, I have on another great piece to show you, ladies. Hold tight. I am a big fan of the raglan sleeve. I just think it's like a really flattering cut. Makes your shoulders look real nice. And this is just perfect. It has a sweet little velvet corduroy body and then this lightweight sleeve. It is just perfect. It's a nice muted camo. I love this. This can be worn dressy, like throw on some little heels with these pants, or throw on some jeans, tennis shoes, and make it casual. Another great way to add camo to your wardrobe is, again, with your accessories, like your shoes. Your feet are going to thank you for these little sneakers. They're so lightweight. Can I even say that they're like bendy? Trust me, your feet are gonna love them. These are some of the most comfortable shoes. Add a little sass to your wardrobe with these. You're not going to regret it. This top is putting two major trends together with this adorable sleeve. Guys, I can't get enough of this. It is so cute. And then of course, the camo. And this is a nice muted one again for you ladies. It is just so fun. This is incredibly soft. You can totally wear this with a pair of leggings, put on some jeans and some heels with it. But this top is a fan favorite around here, and I totally see why. Thank you for joining me on this super fun camo haul here at Tea for the Soul. Ladies, you're gonna wanna click that link, shop these great fashions, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. We have tons of fun stuff coming your way.